Another option for Google Takeout is called Google Transfer. This is a great way to transfer your content from your school Google Drive and Gmail to another personal account without the process of downloading anything. You simply click a button and let Google work its magic. But before you do that, there are a few things to consider. First, check out how much space you've used in your school Google Drive. Clean it up by deleting any unused or unneeded items that you don't want to save. Maybe get it organized into a few folders. The reason for this is simple. We've basically had unlimited storage with our EDU account. Moving it to a personal Google account will come with a limit of 15 gigabytes, and it may not be sufficient. You may need to purchase additional storage. This all needs to be decided prior to starting this process. To begin the transfer process, go to takeout.google.com/transfer. Enter the Gmail address for the destination account. Click the blue Send Code button. Go to your personal Gmail account and find the email you just sent. Click on the blue Get Confirmation Code button to reveal the code to copy and paste into the transfer window. Click the blue Verify button. Make sure you have the apps toggled on that you want to transfer, then click Start Transfer. This process happens in the cloud. You will begin to see your content show up in your personal account. Again, this could take up to a week, so don't wait until the last minute.